Welcome to Anviz CrossChex. CrossChex is an efficient SMB management solution for access control, time attendance, and HR management. Traditionally, time and access management offered minimal insight into who was going where and when, with payroll requiring a small army of staff to crunch the numbers, adjust and research the errors, and create reports for management. Employee management costs can run into the thousands of dollars for small businesses and tens of hundreds of thousands of dollars for larger companies. Thankfully, times have changed, and CrossChex brings a new level of transparency and cost savings to your employee management. Let's take an example of a New York startup company that opened its doors in 2007. At first, their needs are basic, with one common attendance desktop computer and CrossChex Lite software satisfy their needs. By 2010, through rapid business expansion, they are establishing branches all over the world. This company now requires a server-based CrossChex solution for multi-site management, with real-time recording and a more advanced interface for integration with third-party software such as Sage or SAP. Today, technology and cloud services are changing our life and daily habits, as well as that of our example company. We want instantaneous information whenever we want it, and we expect the technology to save us money across multiple departments, allowing us to sleep well at night knowing our data is safe and accessible even at 3 in the morning. Why should you choose CrossChex? It's easy and quick to connect all Anviz devices. Like your company, CrossChex is global and translated into multiple languages. Detailed management reports at a click of a button. All this leading to a more efficient workplace with less effort and direct maintenance. And CrossChex is easily scalable to grow with your company. The desktop version of free software is easy to use. Our desktop version of free and easy to use software. A server version for self-managed data. And cloud version for easier access and managed data anywhere, anytime. What can CrossChex bring to your company? CrossChex is a simple and powerful access control and time attendance reports system. It can be used to evaluate the employee's efficiency, salary calculation, analysis, and decision making. What's improved after using CrossChex? How about our experiences? Friendlier and easier to use. Future developments will include the CrossChex app, with integration into CRM and ERP systems, even further streamlining your HR management wherever your workforce is.